Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah As-Sajdah, ayah number 12 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولو ترى إذ المجرمون ناكسوا رؤوسهم عند ربهم ربنا أبصرنا ومخرج of wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short, low, this is wow, lean. So when you are attaching this fatha with wow, you are making a soft sound, low, ta, very sharp sound, there is no flow of sound or breath. Ra, 4 counts long, mad munfasil jaiz, it can be 4 or 5 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. Dil for kasra give E sound attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Mujhe for dhamma circle ellipse attach with jim. Give a very nice qalqala on jim. Mujhe, mujhe. And there should not be any flow of breath in jim. There is shidda. First you are applying shidda and then you are applying qalqala. So mujhe, you're cutting off the sound and then you are applying qalqala. Mujhe. Ri. Focus, whenever ra has kasra, it is like mu for dhamma, circle ellipse, and make it 2 counts long. Mu. Na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Na. 2 counts long. Ki. For kasra give E sound. Su. For dhamma, circle ellipse, and make it 2 counts long. Oh, and can you see this circled? This is called Sifre Mustadir. Mustadir. This is clearly circled Sifre Mustadir, and you don't pronounce it when you are in wasl or waqf. You are not pronouncing it in wasl or waqf. So, as it's not written there. But it is there because, subhanallah, our Quran is very beautifully preserved that whatever was ordered to be written, it is there. And why it is there? Yes, the more you learn, the more you will go into deep into the sea of ilm knowledge. Yes, you learn more. So right now you just have to learn that this circled sifar mustadir is not pronounced while wasl or waqf. If you're stopping or if you're continuing your recitation, you are not pronouncing it wherever this zero comes. This is called safre mustadir. Ru, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is dhamma or with fatha, it is heavy. Ru, and any letter you are making heavy, you are lifting your tongue up to make it heavy. Uru, and ra is short. U, hamza is sharp for dhamma, circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Si, for kasra give E sound. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of the wasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat nicely for kasra give E sound, and this ikhfa is light, so you are bringing your tongue near the makhraj of dal, and you're hiding the sound in your nose. Ain, da, da, rab. Ra is heavy, fatha open jaws attached. Ba will get sifa of shidda. There will be no flow of sound. The makhraj will cut off the sound. Rabbi, Rabbi. Focus give E sound. Focus on ba. Him. Focus give E sound attached. Mim will get sifa of the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. Rab. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is at fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So it is heavy. And to make any letter heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. You're not circling your lips at all. Rab, rab, and ba will get sifa of shitta. There's no flow of sound. Rabba, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Na, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. Na, and the long vowel should not go into your nose. It is from your mouth. Jove. It is from your jove, vacuum of your mouth. It is not from your nose. Na, ab. Hamza is very sharp. There is the makhraj will cut off the sound. For fatha upon jaws attached. Ba. Ba will be light. Why I'm saying ba is light? Ba is always light. But because it is accompanied by heavy letter, that is sad, we tend to make ba heavy too. So be very careful. If you wanted to avoid the heavy letter of ba, you just cover with your hand the sod. So you should not, your mind should not think about sod and make it heavy. The ba will be happy. No, so cover it. So abe, and ba has very clear qalqala. First, you are giving shidda on ba. You are blocking the sound of ba. The makhraj will cut off the sound. And then there is qalqala. Ab, sar. Sad is heavy. But fatha upon jaws attached to ra. Ra will be heavy too because there is fatha before it. Sar. Na, two counts long, and long vowel should not go into your nose. Wa, for makhraj of waw, circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mia. For kasra, give e sound attached to the ain. This is e sound, but it should not be too long. It just touch the e sound and then go to ain. Ain, you will give a sound from your throat very nicely. And yes, and it has the wasut. Meow. And the wasut is not too long. Meow. Meow. Na. Two counts long, and long vowel should not go into your nose. Thou. Fa, give hams. Hams is flow of breath. Whenever you are looking at fa, at any circumstances, it has fatha, it has dhamma, it has sukoon, it has anything, it will get hams. Thou. And ra, Ra is heavy because there is fatha before it, and Ra will get sifa of tawassut. Faw. Jia. Jia. For kasra, give e sound attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Na. Two counts long. Should not go into your nose. Na. For fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. Mal. For fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Sa, two counts long, make it heavy. Li, focus to give E sound. Han, ha should be from your throat with hums. And you are doing what? And this is idhar, hukmu idhar, and sifa istawasut. Han, in, for kasra give E sound, the hamza is very sharp. For kasra give E sound attached with nun will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, and then it is two counts long. Na, and long vowel should not go into your nose. Mu, for dhamma circle, let's make it two counts long. Qi, for kasra give E sound, and cough is heavy. Yes, of course, the heaviness of cough will be less with kasra, but it will not touch the makhraj of kaf. It will stay cough. Qi, mu, qi, noon. Because of this waqf. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four, and this is mad arid lissakoon. And mad arid lissakoon has options. It can be two counts long, it can be four counts long, it can be six counts long, but we keep it same, make it four counts long. موقنون okay, so okay. ولو ترى إذ المجرمون ناكسوا رؤوسهم عند ربهم عند ربهم ربنا أبصرنا وسمعنا فارجعنا فارجعنا نعمل صالحا إنا موقنون. ومخرج الواو circling your lips with open just low. This is wow lean. Whenever there is fatha before wow sakina or ya sakina, these are lean letters. Fatha. So here you are giving softness while you're attaching fatha with waw. Walau she. For kasra give e sound attached with hamza. Hamza will give a very sharp and because the makhraj will cut off the sound. She. Na 2 counts long. La for fatha upon just the sound is short. Hamza is sharp and then there is alif. There should be a very clear difference between hamza and alif. Hamza is from your throat and alif is from your jaw. Tay. This is yailin, so make it soft. Na 2 counts long. Kul for the circle lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position because they were circled for ka. But as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kul and then for fatha open your jaws. La kulla naf. For fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of the was of rakhawa and hams. Nafsin. This is حكمه إظهار and sifa is توسط. Sorry. Nafsin. Who for the circle ellipse the sound is short. Da 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. Wa makhraj pause circling your lips for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Kin for kasra give e sound attached with nun. Nun will get sifa of the wasut and حكمه إظهار. Haq. Ha from your throat with hams for fatha open jaws attached with qaf. First qaf will get sifa of shidda very clear. The makhraj will be cut off very nicely. Haq and then qal. So both qaf should be heavy. When you are attaching qaf with ha, the qaf is heavy. When you are giving it fatha and attaching with lam, qaf should be heavy. So both qaf should be heavy. Why I'm saying so? Because we tend to make one light and one heavy. Be very careful. Haqqal, haqqal. Lam has the wasut. Qaw, qaf is heavy and make it soft. This is waw lean. Qawlu. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Min for kasra give e sound, but this kasra sound should not be too long. It should touch the e sound and then that's it. And you are attaching with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min, ni 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws. Hamza is sharp. Fatha upon your jaws attach with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. La for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. And Hamza is sharp from your throat. Last part of your throat. And for fatha upon your jaws attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of punna. Gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na fatha is very short. Ja. There should not be any flow of breath here on jim. This is majhura letter. The sound will be cut off. Ja, ja, ja. Han. For fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound and the e sound should be short. It should not be too long. Mi. Nal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Jin for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na fatha is very short. Na. Just open your jaws and the fatha is done. T for kasra give e sound. One. Circle your lips while you're saying wow. Attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. One and then na 2 counts long. C for kasra give e sound. Aj, Hamza is sharp, papa top on jaws attached to Jim, Jim will get sipa up. Qalqala, first you are applying uh, shidda, cutting off the sound totally and then applying qalqala by opening that makhraj. Aj, ma, papa top on jaws, Ain. Because of this you are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. And the options of mad arid lis sukoon are 2, 4, and 6. And while you're giving sukoon on noon, it will get, definitely, it will get the wasats. ولو شئنا لآتينا كل نفس هداها ولكن حق القول مني لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين. Fa, give hams and fa top and just the sound is short. Do for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. O, off is heavy for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. B, for kasra give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long, and the long vowel should not go into your nose. Na, for top and just C, 2 counts long. Tum, for the circle ellipse, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. صفة استوسط أن حكمه إظهار. لي وكسرة give E sound. قا مد متصل واجب make it 4 or 5 counts long. For فتح open jaws. يو keep ya soft, and when you are attaching fatha with wow, this is wow lean, so make it soft. يو me for kasra give E sound. kum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawasut and حكمه إظهار. Ha, 2 counts long. The mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. In Hamza is sharp, or kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. Na, for top and jaws. Si, 2 counts long. Na, 2 counts long. And long vowel should not go into your nose. Kum, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Wa, for makhraj of our circle in your lips, open do. Make sure you engage the right makhraj of dal to bring that zabzaba sound. Do, and for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Oo, for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat, for open jaws. The 2 counts long. Bel, for open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Qul, for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. D, for kasra give E sound. B, for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Qua, for the circle ellipse. And there is ikhfa coming up, and so you're hiding the sound of noon, you're going towards the makhraj of ta, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Kuntum, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ta, ta is very sharp, for top on jaws attached to the ain. Ain should be from your throat, and ain should be had should have tawasut. Ma, for top on jaws. Loon, because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. And the options to make mad arid lis sukun long are 2, 4, or 6. فذوقوا بما نسيتم لقاء يومكم هذا إنا نسيناكم وذوقوا عذاب الخلد بما كنتم تعملون. In Hamza is very sharp. Focus give E sound attached with Noon. Noon gets it off Gunna. This Gunna is Akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na. For Fatha, the sound is short. Ma. 2 counts long without going into your nose. You keep Ya soft. For Dhamma, circle lips attached with Hamza. Hamza is very sharp sound. The sound will be cut off very nicely. You. Me. Focus give E sound. No. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. B. Focus like the E sound, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. It should be from your throat. Make it 2 counts long, and the long vowel should be from your jaw, not from your mouth, not from your nose. It is from your jaw, vacuum of your mouth. B yeah, 2 counts long. T. Focus give E sound. Nel. Noon is not anymore long because it is attached with the coming up letter. Nel. La. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. The gives up zaba in dal very nicely. 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws. E. For kasra give E sound. The 2 counts long. Duk. For dhamma, circle lips, and as you will touch kaf, your lips should be in a straight position, but you are not stretching them behind, but just give a normal look to your lips. Duki. For kasra give E sound. Uru. For dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. B. For kasra give E sound. Ha. 2 counts long. Kharu. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with the ra. Ra will get sip of the wasut. Kharu. And ra is heavy throughout and make it 2 counts long. Kharu. Sud. For dhamma, circle lips attached with jim. As you will touch jim, your lips should be in a straight position and in a normal position, not stretched behind. Sud. Yeah, for fatha open jaws. Down. This is idgham. Idgham. And the very important part of this idgham is gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Dawa. For makhraj of waw, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Sab. For fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will cut off the sound because this is a shidda letter. The sound will not flow at all. Sabba. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Hu. For dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. B. For kasra, give E sound. Ham. Give hams with on ha from your throat nicely, and for fatha open jaws attach it meme, you will get sip of the wasut. Hamdi. For kasra, give E sound, and the sound is short. Rab. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sip of shidda. Um, the sound will cut off very nicely. Rabbi. For kasra give E sound. Him. For kasra give E sound attached with meme, we will get sip of the wasut. And حكمه إظهار. هو مخرج فوق circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Hum. For the circle lips attached with meme, we will get sip of the wasut. La. 2 counts long without going into your nose. Yes. Keep your soft for fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sip off. Rahawa. It is light and it has safir. Yes, but you're not pressing too hard on seen. This is rahawa. Rahawa means to flow. So let it flow. If you are giving too much pressure on it, it will not flow nicely, and it will not be able to give Safir. Yes, be soft on scene. Yes, deck. For fatha on jaws attached. Kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. B. For kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Roon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. It can be 2, 4, or 6 counts long. إنما يؤمن بآياتنا الذين إذا ذكروا بها خروا سجدا. خروا سجدا وسبحوا بحمد ربهم وهم لا يستكبرون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.